FEMA is continuing its stay in South Georgia, helping neighbors who are still in need and feeling the effects of Hurricane Helene. I'm Malia Thomas, your neighborhood news reporter here in Valdosta, speaking with neighbors as well as FEMA representatives about our continued recovery efforts. So far, more than 217,000 applications for assistance have been approved, totaling over $332 million in aid. In Lowndes County alone, over 2,000 structures have received support. But while the application deadline has passed, help is still available.
Homeowners, renters, and small business owners are more than welcome to visit with us at the Small Business Administration Business Recovery Centers.
FEMA is also providing direct temporary housing assistance and funding for long-term recovery, as well as business loans. But for some, the road back has been slow. I first met Erica Miller outside of Cola, Valdosta's only soup kitchen, just days after the storm. The building was battered, the roof barely holding. 6 months later, she's still struggling to make repairs.
I just think everybody's just really in survival mode where people really don't have the money like they used to. You know, businesses, we have been hit hard and we've just been floating.
Her cafe, Miller's Cafe, has also taken a hit. Between financial delays and the overwhelming number of people needing assistance, she says getting help has been tough. FEMA reps say staying in touch is key.
Don't let your recovery stall. Be sure to keep in touch with FEMA. Respond promptly to calls and any correspondence that you receive from FEMA to prevent delays in your assistance.
Despite the challenges, Erica keeps serving meals, supporting her neighbors, and holding on to hope.
I've been through a lot between COVID and these hurricanes. Over the last few years, we have really been standing strong.
FEMA and SBA will be staying here indefinitely, operating 10 centers across the region. In Valdosta, I'm Malia Thomas, reporting for ABC 27.